做好防护是首要，唯独形成合理定国内政策不在先，特殊风险。Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I'm done in my workshop. I've got my RSPDuo connected to my 31-foot MFJ vertical antenna, and this morning I'm getting a lot of shortwave signals. This, I believe, is channel radio. Now, I'm not sure where the transmitter is, because channel radio has transmitters throughout the world, and even some down in Cuba, I believe, or down in that area. So it could be coming from there. I'm not positive. It's at 9.460, but it's really coming strong. And I did notice earlier there are several. Boy, look at all these stations here. Look at it. Look at this right here. I haven't seen that on shortwave in months. I don't know what all that is, but there's a lot of signals there. Let's try listening to a couple. So that was 94.6 on mute. Let's try the next one here. Pretty strong. Well, that's weird. That's weird. I can't get it to go to the frequency that I click on. What the heck is with that? Always something. So there's a peak right here. I'm going to click on it. And look where the cursor goes. Over there. What if I got screwed up now? I just don't understand. There's so many options here. It's like there's some kind of offset or something. That is weird. What am I doing wrong? Okay, we're just going to do a memory scan. I don't know what's with that. Let's try the radio again. I don't know what's going on. That sounds like China radio again. Just never know. I may have the volume way too high. I also have my scanner on the internet running in background on my tablet. But I just amazed at all these signals down here. This is 31 meter band scan. And it's 7:41 a.m. here in Clearwater, Florida. Sounds like some kind of digital data there. Okay, we're back to China radio. Let's try the 49 meter band, which is usually best this time of the morning. We select that memory bank, tell it to scan. Oh, that is the, let me tune it a little, Blair. Okay, I got too many things going on at once. Hold on. All of a sudden, it got very active on the local fire and EMS. So let me pause that. Okay, pause. There we go. Lots going on. Lots going on. Now, I think this is the lady that broadcast out of a station in the Caribbean. Let me. I can do a filter here on the frequency. Now it says Toronto Radio International on this frequency, not 5.935. That's not what I'm hearing. Is the lady from, I forgot, what the heck is, like Caribbean Mission or something like that. I forgot. I tell you, my memory's so shot. Okay, let's turn that filter back off and let it scan again. I say, let's let it scan again. There we go. That's her again.
In fact, I have to tell you this. I mean, I love you.
That's strong.
I'm not here for you to pick me apart. God's already done the picking. That's why I said that the concept of being humble and humility comes by recognizing I am Mephibosheth. He lets me sit at his table. I don't deserve to. That's between me and him. Not your job.
Okay, let's kind of doing some random things here. Let's come down here. These are all the databases, not all, but 75% of these databases are from Mike, who supports SDR Play. This is a time database, and let's let that scan and see what frequencies we can pick WWV up. There's 5 megahertz. Ten. That's it, 5 and 10. Let's try it manually. Gonna stop. Let's try, excuse me. I'm sorry. Try 3.33, which is Canada. And we'll unmute that. No. Try 7.85. Yeah. There we go. Try Russia. That's interesting. I don't think I've ever listened to Russia's time signal. Is that what that is, or is that something else? Right on the edge of the squelch. Let me turn the squelch down a little bit. That sounds familiar, but I can't place it. It's at 4.996. Let's try this one at 9.996. Whoops, and I want to edit it. Double click. Yeah, I went there. That's the same thing. Unless it's totally lying to me. Let's try 14. It's stuck. It's not changing the frequency. What is going on this morning? I mean, it shows it is, but it's still like the same thing over and over again. Let's go to 5. There we go. That's strange. Let's go back to this. I wonder what that is. So I'm 4.996 and 9.996 and 14.996. That's weird. Okay, let's see what else we can try since strange things are happening. What I did the other day, I tried the CB one to see if there's more activity now on CB radio during this virus period. We do a scan. Nope, looks pretty dead. Of course, this is not the right antenna for that high up on the HF band. Although it should work, but it's definitely dead. Again, I got this memory bank from Mike. He's on Facebook and he posts these memory banks that he has created on Facebook for you to download. Let's try GMRS. Okay, we'll stop this. Okay, we'll try this. Now there is a company about 8 blocks from me that is on this GMRS quite often. And usually they're active first thing in the morning, telling the workers what to do, where to move the rocks, because it's a recycling for highway materials place. No. So I think that's about it. Trying to think of anything else we could try this morning, because things are kind of different on shortwave this morning. The fact that I was able to get, let's get real. One more thing, real crazy, is this broadcast one. No, that's not it. Mute. EIB, that's it. EIB above 2 megahertz. No dupes. Okay, this is one I made. Or actually, one of my subscribers helped me make this one, taking the EIBI database, which is huge. I think it starts at DC and goes to light. That's a ham on 80 meters. That's another thing I want to try, is listen to some hams and see what they're talking about. Okay, that's going to get boring in a hurry. So we're going to call it quits here. Thanks for stopping by. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. And please... Nope, there he is, Preacher Man.
Examine yourself. One thing, have you received...
There's a Preacher Man coming in. Look at that signal. That signal is huge. And that's probably coming out of Tennessee in the United States. But lately, I haven't been able to get that signal. So something, at least in my area, is happening on HF, on shortwave. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye-bye.